My name is Muiwa Adedayo. I am a lecturer. I am also an educational neuroscientist. Okay, today's topic is a study vlog. Okay, 7 secrets of Chinese and Asian student. I just want to quickly inform us that years ago, I published an article after doing a kind of a global research. I gathered data, about the Chinese and Asian students. I studied, the Singaporean students, the Japanese students, the Chinese students, the South Korean students, and the Indian students, etc. So it is based on the data, the informal data that I gathered, that I wrote an article. When I wrote this article, I got calls, from people all over the world appreciating the article. In fact, that article led, to the publication, of this book. It was published in the United States of America. It is on Amazon. Okay, the question, becomes what, are the 7 secrets of Chinese and Asian students? If you like it or not, China is today the most, the sorry, I said the most. China today is the cleverest nation in the world. Chinese students have conquered, global education. In PISA, PISA stands for Program for International Student Assessment. The Chinese students, are dominating. If you, if you decide to actually check, the data, the records of teams actually stands for trends in maths and science study. The Chinese and Asian students are also dominating. The third one, where I gather data, is a kind of it's an international, maths competition. It is called IMO, International Maths Olympiad. If you check, the records, you discover that the Chinese and Asian students, they hold sway. What could be, the reason? What could be those factors responsible for the cognitive and intellectual superiority, of the Asian and Chinese students? The answer is, or the answers, are in this book. The answers, I repeat, are in this book. And if you look at the book, it was the forward of the book was, done by Professor Clement Fasson. This man is a don. He was formerly the dean, of the Faculty of Education, Lagos State University. He was one of those who read the article and decided to invite me over, to the campus. So if you look at the book too, the secrets are 7. There are 7 secrets. The first one has to do with a pro-education culture. The second secret is called, the home front advantage. The third one is, I title it population poverty and prosperity. The fourth secret is the power of mentors. The fifth secret is called what I call the 3Ds. The sixth secret is education and, learning, enablers. Then the seventh secret is, over time, not overnight. If you order for this book, it's just $10. What I'll do is that I'm going to send you what the soft copy, of the book itself. But let me explain just one of the secrets, that I titled DHL. And what is DHL? D, stands for daily. H stands for habit. Then L, the L stands for learning. Daily habit of learning is not only the number one secret of Chinese, of Indian, of Japanese, of Korean students, etc. It is the number one secret of every individual out there who is a topper. It is the number one secret of the Nobel laureates, because I've studied about 12 of them. The Albert Einstein, Eric Kandel, and so many other Nobel, laureates. It is the secret of Albert Einstein, the great, inventor, of two of the greatest, kind of theories, the theory of relativity and the theory of what, of gravity. Okay, every one of them, is a reader. Every one of them, commits either knowing or unknowingly to DHL, just like what the Chinese students are really doing, in the global education system. That is why they are what? The numero uno. They are the number one, in global education. The kind of the data and the records, are there, for you. If you're skeptical of what, for my assertion, you can do your investigation. So the number one secret, my dear listeners all over the world, is DHL. as you commit yourself to DHL, do not forget. Let me tell you about the neuroscience, okay, of DHL and its connection to super intelligence. In our brains, we have about 80, okay, to 100 billion, okay, neurons. I repeat, in our brains, we have about 80 to 100 billion neurons. Okay, if you look at this picture, okay, this is okay a picture of what? Okay, of a neuron. Okay, and this is what is this here is called, okay, a synapse. Okay, this is the pre, okay, synaptic neuron and the post synaptic neurons. Okay, so in our brains we have about 86 to 100 billion neurons, and out of this 86 to 100 billion there are some specific assembly, okay, of neurons, okay, known as the concept neurons. These concept neurons, their own job, they've been programmed, okay, to do what? To encode declarative and semantic information. Okay, information that, okay, those data, those pieces of information that are connected, okay, to facts, okay, to knowledge, okay, to arithmetic, to counting, okay, to history, okay, to mathematics. Okay, these are really the function of the concept neurons, okay, to encode. So when we commit to DHL, okay, especially when we read every day, this concept neuron becomes stronger. Okay, their population, okay, explodes. Okay, their density goes beyond the roof just because they are being they are active. Okay, because of our habit. Okay, they keep encoding every new information that we come across when we are in our study a kind of ecosystem. Whenever we are in the learning, okay, environment, in the library, okay, these concept neurons are the ones that come online. So in the process of our commitment, okay, or as we commit to DHL, okay, there's a concept called neuroplasticity. Okay, neuroplasticity actually stands for, okay, the changes that occur, okay, in our nervous system. So DHL, okay, is a force for neuroplasticity, okay, in the education system. That is what is happening, okay, in the brains of Chinese and Asian students. Their commitment to DHL, okay, has transformed their brains. So if you know you want to be intelligent, if you know you want to become, okay, an intellectual, okay, celebrity, you need to actually do what? To commit yourself, okay, to DHL, because DHL is the number one secret, okay, for rising, okay, academically. Is the number one secret, okay, for becoming an intellectual giant, okay, just like the Chinese students, just like the Indian students, just like the Korean students, etc. So because although you've stayed, okay, with me up to this moment, okay, I have a special bonus, okay, for you. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm committed to releasing, okay, one video, academically, okay, oriented video, okay, on a daily basis. Comment, okay, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure that, okay, you add your email. What I will do is that I would attach, okay, the my latest book. It is titled Top Secrets, okay, for acing all exams, okay, in the world. That book has taken me more than a decade. Okay, it contains ideas that personally I've experienced, okay, that my family relatives have experienced, okay, the students that I've taught, okay, both in secondary school and in tertiary institution. Okay, it contains information, okay, that will transform your academic life. I would definitely send it to you, okay, as soon as I see your comment and I discover that you've attached, okay, your email, okay, to your comment. Thank you very much for your time, and I shall see you in the next video.